Hi, Miss Aloha. Good afternoon. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Aloha M. Medrano. I'm 37 years old. I live in Porac, Pampanga.
Okay, ma'am. Can you please specify your current marital status?
I'm single.
Okay. Do you have kids, ma'am?
Yes, I have 7 children.
Okay. Can you indicate the age of your children and their gender?
23, 21, 20, 18, 15, 12. I have 5 boys and 2 girls.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 sisters and I'm second one.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background, ma'am.
I'm high school graduate.
Okay. Can you please state the reason why you did not finish your college, ma'am?
Financial status?
Okay, ma'am. Do you have work experience abroad?
No.
How about local, ma'am?
Machine operator and housekeeping.
Okay, ma'am. Can you indicate your duties and responsibilities as a machine operator and for housekeeping?
Machine operator, always check the dent in the case, and for housekeeping, maintain the office clean.
Okay. How would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I'm trustworthy, honest, and hardworking.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No?
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes?
Can you please specify what kind of surgery, ma'am?
Cesarean and nidation.
Okay. Or what year, ma'am?
2016.
2016. Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to help my family and support my children to their school needs.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes?
Okay, ma'am. Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I show them that I care by playing to them and being a friend to them.
Okay, your last question, ma'am. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I am hardworking, trustworthy, and honest. And if you have children, I will love them like my own child. And I promise to you that I finish my contract. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.